And this is Victoria Park, and if you want to see herons close in, I've just counted 7 there. One, 2, and there's 3. 4, 5, 6, 'and there's a plane. We're on the flight path. 6 herons, and then there's number 7s up the tree. Aye. And there's a few grey legs here in front of me as well. But this is the place to come and, if you want to look at a heron. I don't know if that is actually a heronry up in the trees here. I suspect it may be. Don't know. We saw a heron, another heron, whenever we were walking around. So that makes 8. And there's probably about another 8 on the other side of that island there. One day, a few winters ago, we counted 17 on this particular island.